Welcome back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera distortion on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, clean camera lens with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search camera app from here. Click on camera app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on this 4-dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and you will see reset settings. Again tap on reset setting. You will see camera setting is reset. So after the process, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.